Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn about image processing basics in MATLAB. So firstly, have a look on basics about images. So let's start. Image processing is well known as DIP, that is Digital Image Processing Toolbox in MATLAB. So firstly, let's talk about the images. Image is the representation of anything in two dimension. Image consists of a small elements that is known as pixels. Pixels are in the square shape that is arranged in the form of rows and columns and create a matrix. So we all know that MATLAB is a matrix laboratory, so we can process any operation on image in MATLAB. Now we talk about the types of images. Basically we have three type of images. First one is black and white. In black and white image only two color exist, that is black and white. Second type is grayscale image. Grayscale image is the combination of black and white. Third and last type is colored image, is also known as RGB image. Now we have a look on properties of black and white, grayscale and colored image. Firstly we talk about pixel value of black and white image. Pixel value, black and white image consists only two colors, so pixel value in black and white image is 0 or 1. 0 represent for black color and 1 is represent to white color. In grayscale image, pixel value is in between 0 to 255, that is unsigned integer range. 0 represent for black color and 255 for white color. The value between 0 to 255 is the combination of black and white, that is gray. As same as in colored image, pixel value is same as grayscale, that is 0 to 255, that is also a unsigned integer range. To understand the concept in brief, now open your paint, go to edit color. Here you can see red, green and blue options. By default we select black color. You can see red, green and blue both are 0. If we select white color, now RGB value are 255, that is the highest. You can select any color and see the value of R, G and B are vary in between 0 to 255. Our next property is layer. In black and white image we have only one layer exist. If we talk about grayscale image, it also have one layer, but if we are talking about colored image, it exists three layers. First one is red, second is green and third is blue. If we are talking about number of pixels in 100 by 100 image, if the image is black and white, it has 10,000 pixels due to one layer, and same in grayscale, it also have 10,000 pixel because grayscale have also one layer. But if we are talking about colored image, it has three layers, so the pixels in 100 by 100 image is 30,000 pixels. Last property is units. Black and white is double or logical, means 0 or 1. Grayscale and RGB image units is, that is uint8, means uint means unsigned integer and 8 means the power of 2 is 8. Power of 2 is, that is 256 if we are talking about unsigned integer, and that is 0 to 255 is also at 256. Now we can see all this stuff in practically. So firstly open your MATLAB setup and go to command window to understand the basic commands and concepts. First of all, copy any image from your PC and paste it into current folder. I pasted test.jpg image in my current folder. You can see image outside the MATLAB by right click on the image. This is the image I use. First of all, rename your image as per your requirement. Now firstly I read this image by using imread command. Here you can write the syntax. After write imread, you can write image name with dot extension. The name is test.jpg, so go and write here, that is test.jpg. Now we enter this command. Here you can see all the pixels of images. It will take some time to read the pixels. Now pixels are read properly. Now go to your workspace and you can see in img variable 768 into 1366, here is the size of the image, and into 3 is represent the layers. As we know that our image is a colored image, so into 3 means this is the colored image. If we're talking about the pixels, we don't have any use to display pixels on command window, so we can use semicolon to terminate that command. Now we display this read image in MATLAB setup by using imshow command. So to display image in MATLAB, here is the syntax, that is imshow, and define the actual image variable img. So now you can press enter. Now you can see image in our figure window in MATLAB. Now we can convert this original image into black and white image. So first of all we take a variable. The command is to convert actual image into black and white image. The command is im2bw. Now you can define original image that place in img variable. So I can write here img semicolon and press enter. Now have a look on workspace. bw, in bw variable the size of image remains same, but the units is changed, that is uint a to logical, means this is a black and white image. Now we show this image in MATLAB, so we can use imshow and define bw black and white image, press enter, and you can see here is the output image of black and white. Now we convert actual image into grayscale image. So here is the command for converting. Define any variable. The command is rgb to gray. Define your original image that placed in img variable. Semicolon and press enter. Now have a look on workspace. You can see gs variable. The size remains same, units remain same, but into 3 is missing because in grayscale image it exists only one layer. So we can see grayscale image by using imshow command again. So here is our grayscale image that is converted from original image. If you like our video, then comment, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.